However, in this video we're going to be installing Java 11 on Windows 10, and I'm also going to show you the trick with the environment variable. First of all, we're going to head to our biggest friend Google, and we're going to type in JDK 11 download. Following the first link that will bring us to the Oracle official website, we will accept the license agreement, and attempting to download the Windows version will find out that we actually need an official Oracle account. So we're going to register and carry on after that. Okay, so check your email, it's send a confirmation. Okay, what kind of success is that? Account is ready to use. Right, so we are now being let in the Oracle official website, and surprisingly, when we will type download JDK 11, and follow the link, we'll actually brought back to the same screen, and accepting license agreement here, trying to download, actually find out that we need to log in. Yes, it's a pain, I know, but Oracle owns Java, so whoever owns things sets their own rules. Okay, finally downloading. I'm going to cut here. Right, the download is complete. Let's start. And this is a normal Windows next OK thing. We're almost done. Alright, happily ever after. Now we're going to start the command line. We're going to check which Java version we have. Type in Java version, and oh no, so the version is still down to Java 8. Let's go to environment variables and check what's going on. Okay, first of all, Java home needs to point to the directory where your JDK is located, and not the bin, the actual JDK. We're going to make sure this is happening. Next is the path variable. So we're going to append the list with Java home relative path and /bin. But that should point to our binary directory. Okay, let's check whether that did the trick. No. Now, the common thing that everyone gets is that the pointer to the bin directory should be on top of Oracle Java path. As you can see, this is how we'll make sure that it reads the latest Java as the latest Java version for our operating system, which is now 11. Please give this video an Emperor's thumbs up, hold the bell and subscribe so you won't miss some more tutorials on this channel. Thank you and goodbye.